Hi there! Thank you for tuning in to today's practice. Start by lying on your back, soles of the feet together. Let your knees open wide, finding a reclined butterfly. During your practice today, feel free to pause whenever you need a rest or you'd like to stay longer in a pose. Hold your right thigh, drawing your foot towards your head. To modify, feel free to tie a strap around your foot. Bend your right leg down. Breathe in, extend up. Breathe out, bend down. We are warming the hamstring muscles. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend down. Switching sides. Keeping your right knee bent, lift your left leg up. Inhale, pressing the lower back and hips into the mat. Exhale, bending the leg down. Inhale, extend. Exhale, bend. Slowly lower the leg down. Lift your legs up, opening them wide apart. Feel free to bend the knees to ease the movement. Place your hands underneath your hips. Take a deep inhale, crossing the right leg over left as you exhale. Open the legs wide to the sides. Cross the left leg over your right. Bring back to the sides and cross. Go through this crisscross movement at a pace you feel comfortable. Deep breath in. Feel that stretch in your inner thighs. Breath out. Back to center. Lay yourself down on your left side. Left elbow comes down. Inhale, lifting your right leg up slowly in a controlled way. And exhale, lower down. Switching sides, lay yourself down on your right side. Right elbow comes down. Lift your left leg up slowly in a controlled way. And exhale, lower down. Inhale, slowly lift up. Exhale, press the grounded leg into the mat. Lie on your back. Wrap your arms over your knees, rock and roll into a seat, and then tabletop. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Come to a downward facing dog, lifting the sit bones up, keeping the back flat. On an inhale, walk your feet to meet your hands. You can keep the knees bent and walk back into your downward dog. Take a few more. We are building heat across the body. Walk to your hands and walk back into your downward dog. Walk your feet towards your hands and slowly lift up into a mountain pose. Deep breath in. As you breathe out, bend forward, pressing your fingertips onto your hip bones and lengthening your torso. Bend your elbows and hold on to the elbows of the opposite arm. Aim to bring your belly to your thighs rather than your head to your knees or your hands to the ground. High lunge. Ground your hands into the mat. Bend your left knee, stepping your right foot back. Slowly lift your body up. See if your front knee is over your ankle. Straighten your front leg for a pyramid pose. Grab a hold of your opposite elbows. Inhale, draw your shoulder blades in together. Step forward for ragdoll. Bend your elbows and hold on to the elbows of the opposite arm. Aim to bring your belly to your thighs rather than your head to your knees or your hands to the ground. High lunge. Ground your hands into the mat. Bend your right knee, stepping your left foot back. Slowly lift your body up. Turn your left hip slightly forward to get square hips. Straighten your front leg for a pyramid pose. Grab a hold of your opposite elbows. Inhale, crown of your head extends forward. Exhale, pressing your tailbone back. Step forward for ragdoll. Bend from the knees, grab a hold of your opposite elbows. Deep breath in and out. Ground your hands and knees for tabletop. Stack your shoulders over your wrists and hips over knees. Come to a downward facing dog, lifting the sit bones up, keeping the back flat. Lift your left leg up, bending from the knee. Draw circles with your knee, rotating from the hip. As you draw circles, keep your heel close to your hips. To modify, feel free to simply lift your leg up to the side and lowering down instead of circling. Other side, lift your right leg up, bending from the knee. Draw circles with your knee, rotating from the hip. As you draw circles, keep your heel close to your hips. Lower down for tabletop. Knee to elbow. Extend your right leg. Inhale, heel goes up. Exhale, right knee meets left elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, knee to elbow. Other side. Extending your left leg. Inhale, lifting your leg up. Exhale, left knee meets right elbow. Inhale, extend the leg. Exhale, knee to elbow. Release the leg down. Thread the needle. Inhale, reach your right hand up. On an exhale, come down with your hand. Weave your right arm under your left armpit so your right shoulder comes on the floor. Slowly turn your head to the left side, resting your right ear on the floor. Deep breath in, left arm reaches forward. Stay in this pose, taking deep breaths. Rise back up. Inhale, reach your left hand up. As you exhale, come down with your hand, weaving your left arm under your right armpit so your left shoulder comes on the floor. Slowly turn your head to the right side, resting your left ear on the floor. Take a deep breath in. Reach forward through your right hand. Breathe out and relax. Rise back up. Lie on your back. Bring your knees together, drawing them into your chest. Bring the soles of your feet together for a butterfly pose variation. Hold your feet, letting the knees fall out to the sides. Inhale, arms are extended. Exhale, feel a nice stretch in your hip flexors. Relax your eyebrows, your jaw. Put a big smile on your face. Take deep breaths. Release the feet down. Let's end this practice with corpse pose. Let your limbs relax. Close your eyes. Take a deep inhale. And as you exhale, allow the weight of your body to relax. Stay here for as long as you need to. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, allow the weight of your body to relax. Thank you for joining me in this practice. I hope to see you in the next one.